Hey there, what's going on? Chris Cervantez eHomes coming at you with the monthly market update for the city of Glendora for the month of March. We are entering into the busiest time of the year. Similar to what last week I did a video about Laverne, similar to what's happening in Laverne, I'm observing in Glendora, and I'm going to say strength and stability. Even though, yes, there are a lot of things that are some headwinds that are facing in our Glendora market, I'm still seeing some very resilient things happening on the other side. So why am I saying that? Well, if we just look at the service levels, right now in Glendora we have 39 homes available on the market. This time last year we had 18 homes on the market. So at face value it's like, oh, there's a bunch of homes still on the market, or there's more inventory, so that's a sign of things that are going to be crashing. But that's just not the case. The reason why I'm saying that is because the year-over-year pricing is still very strong. Last year, the median sales price during the same 30-day period, today and 30 days back, it was $825. This year, it's $814. So that's only a negative change by 1.3%. If the market was falling apart, we'd see a lot lower numbers like we saw in the last housing crisis a couple years ago. So I'm still seeing strong numbers. Yes, it's taking longer for homes to sell. The average time on market was 47 days compared to last year it was 21 days. So it's taking longer to get the job done, but at the end of the day, we're still seeing buyers out there buying. We had 27 homes sell in the last 30 days. The list price to sales price ratio, that means whatever the most recent list price was, they sell it above the asking or below the asking. On average, homes were selling for about 4% below the asking price. Compared to last year, homes were selling 9% above the asking price. That's a pretty big swing year over year. Nonetheless, it's not like sellers are giving away these properties, because with the median sales price, like I said, $814,000 in Glendora, that's still very strong. It's still up there. What I wanted to also talk about was the absorption rate. So if we compare the temperature of the market, right now we have a 1.6%, 1.58. So we basically have 1.6 months of inventory in Glendora. Compared to last year, we had half a month, so 0.5 months of inventory, so half a month of inventory in Glendora. The thing is that here in January, we actually had a higher absorption rate so just a couple of months ago. That's telling me that traditionally, again, it's the slowest time of the year during the holiday season, and in January, the market starts to wake up in February, but the market has become stronger since January, even given with the higher interest rates. So right now we have interest rates, according to Mortgage News Daily, at 6.6% for a 30-year fixed. It is what it is at this point. We're seeing it bounce between basically 6% and 7%, maybe even a little bit higher than 7%. Again, like I've said in recent months, all forecasts are indicating that that's going to come down. But for right now, it is what it is. People are buying, even with the given interest rate environment. I'm curious what you think about the Glendora market, if you think it's going to sustain, or if you think it's going to crumble like some of the media outlets think. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to add one more thing, because we have a very exciting program for buyers right now. It's the Dream for All program. If you haven't heard, it's a 20% grant program for buyers. It's first-time buyers only. You're able to avoid mortgage insurance, and basically the catch is that you have to share the equity on the backside when you go to sell the property. So in the event that you make $100,000 of equity, then you have to give $20,000 to the program because they gave you that 20% down payment. I'd be happy to answer any questions about that, but I think it's an amazing program. There are limited funds for this program, so if you are a first-time buyer, or if you know of a first-time buyer, share this information, share my information. I'd be happy to walk them through how all of that works. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Talk soon.